Hello everyone, welcome back. Probably know the drill by now. Animal Company has had another rare item. Where does that... Okay, that went down. Basically, it's these things. I have two. I got given these in a random lobby. And, so... What is it going up? Why is it just going up? I kind of wanted that. I kind of wanted... Okay, so as you guys can probably tell, no gravity. Oh, I want that. Okay, I'm gonna have to wait for this, aren't I? Damn it. Can you come up, Mr. Crystal? I'd appreciate it. Okay. I'd like to see how much these sell for. How much you guys think? You serious? Wow, I traded a hoverboard for one of those things. Okay, I hope you guys are doing good. Those crystals sell for like nothing. And, oh, $34. Those crystals sell for like nothing. Hope you guys are doing good, and bye.